Hello guys, today I will show you my new preset of Lightroom. Before starting I want to tell you that first half of the password is in the card and other half is on my Instagram, so click the link below and go on the post, you will find the password. Don't forget to like the post. Today we will make this photo too. If you are Lightroom mobile user, go to this timestamp, and if you're Lightroom PC user, stay here. Exposure to +1 stop, contrast to +24, highlights to -12, shadows to +38, white to +19, black to -12. Now make the curve similar as mine. Red's hue to +100. Orange's hue to -13. Green's hue to -100. Aqua's hue to +67. Blue's hue to +42. Purple's hue to -7. Orange's saturation to +42. Yellow's saturation to +53. Aqua's saturation to -64. Blue's saturation to -100. And go to Effects and Vignetting to -15. Exposure to +1 stop, contrast to +24, highlights to -12, shadows to +38, white to +19, black to -12. Now make the curve similar as mine. Red's hue to +100. Orange's hue to -13. Green's hue to -100. Aqua's hue to +67. Blue's hue to +42. Purple's hue to -7. Orange's saturation to +42. Saturation to +53. Aqua's saturation to -64. Blue's saturation to -100. And go to Effects and Vignetting to -15. Guys, if you liked it, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram.